What's up, muscle car people? Bring it muscle cars. I'm Jared. Quinn's still working on his exhaust. I'm taking a break from that because he snapped a stud and I'm just not into it right now, and I want to do fun stuff as I brush that dirt off my shoulders. Today we are working on the 8th Street Champion Ford Fiesta ST. Next year we are going full DSP mode and SCCA time trials. So the first thing we're going to do mod wise for that is an intercooler right here.
So where did you get this intercooler from?
I made this myself using a welding class I took on the internet. Oh, look, sticker. Ignore the Whoosh Motorsport sticker. That's just an accident. You can have that.
I don't need this sticker. I don't need the extra horsepower it provides.
Jared
Was it 5?
is not putting a sticker on his car. I am shocked. I don't know how to react to this.
This is a Whoosh V1 intercooler.
Woo!
Now tell us about V1 versus V2 versus
Quinn, I need your
V3.
knife again. Cut.
It looks very beefy.
Once we
I can't wait to do a side-by-side comparison.
once we get the old one off, we will definitely be able to tell the difference.
Wait, what's it sound like?
Okay, let me see if I can play this.
That's
good.
awesome.
Sounds pretty good. Yeah, and I got black because we're going for stealth mode.
And it cools better. I saw that on YouTube
Yeah,
one
according to
time.
Muddy Car Mods, it cools better. I was gonna paint this to upset Quinn.
I thought you were going to bring in muscle cars
That's
on
my
that.
idea.
Come on.
Yeah, but I've looked at other people's. If you don't cut the front grille out, you really can't see this at all.
Which
know.
you should. You
Yeah.
should definitely cut it out.
Take it out.
No.
Come on.
Oh,
All right.
man.
So
Better airflow.
step 1, jack up your car.
I've never seen this one before, Cotton. Let's see if it pays off.
First, jack up your car.
All right. So the next step, once you get the car in the air, is get the bumper off. To aid in that, we are going to remove the wheels because you're gonna have to get stuff back there. First step up top, you're going to want to remove the headlights. It is they're Torx, or you can get a flathead in here, screws, one up top. Set these up there. One at the bottom here. And the reason we're doing that is because eventually we're going to need the bolts that get the fender to the bumper. We're going to need access to them, and the headlight's definitely in the way for that. You got those 2 bolts. Take a Phillips. You're going to have this little plastic screw here. Unscrew that the best you can. It's just one of these plastic pop rivet screw things. Pop that
Don't leave that there.
out. I'm going to put that back in just so we don't lose it. So then you're just going to wiggle the headlight down. And then disconnect the wiring. Just like that. There's 2 more in the middle. You might have to help them come out because they're just plastic. All right, so on the side we've got a T20. Didn't quite fit with my impact gun.
How many are there? Like 4?
There's one T20. Doesn't really fit with the impact gun, so that's annoying. We've got, I believe, a 7. Oh, we got another one up there. So let's see in here. We're gonna have 6 7 down there. Inner clips, bolts holding them on. 1, 2. 3.
Can we film this life hack?
4.
I'm so high right now on dopamine.
And 5 there. Alright guys, we got all the bolts off on the sides, on the bottom, the 4 up top in the middle. That should be it. I believe there's going to be some wiring harnesses that Quinn is going to try to disconnect for me. He's going to get the fog light on that side.
Man, you guys are dirty. Fucking. Do I need a screwdriver?
No, your fingers.
There you go.
Jesus, you tampon. And that's it. That's the bumper removal on a 2015 Ford Fiesta. It's very simple. Now you have access to do all kinds of fun activities. Quiet. Alright guys, so we got the intercooler here, the stock one. To get it off, we're going to loosen the hose clamps on both sides. Just take a flathead. They come right off. That's no big deal. Not a big deal to get that off. And you got one over here. We've got two 8 mils. We've got two 8 mils holding it on. They're really hard to get to. So, no power tools. I've just got an 8 mil hooked up to a 1/4 inch. And that's it, really. There's like no good way to do this. Alright, so we got the two 8 mils on the side. We got these brackets in the way. We're just gonna pop them out of the way here. 2 on each side. It's another 8 mil. Pop that out of the way like it's full of water. And this should come easily out. Wow, real easily out. Look at that.
I'm done. I need to do my final.
So we have the two intercoolers here. Factory, not factory. The biggest difference is this does not have plastic end tanks on, or end caps, which would be good so we don't like blow the holes out the side, but we're not going to be running more boosts. This is just for cooling and safety on the track so we don't overheat or anything like that. But yeah, it's I'd say at least a third bigger. It's pretty substantial, nice beefy boy, and we're going to put it on.
It looks like
It's gonna come my way a little. That's good.
You're gonna have to cut the whole bottom thing off. You're gonna have to cut that whole piece off.
Yeah.
Against what you're doing
All
right
right,
now.
so the problem on these ones.
That's not a cutting wheel.
Yeah, no. A problem on these ones is that this clip, which bolts there, you notice will hit a little. So we're gonna just kind of take it out a little.
Can you put a cutting wheel on there?
No, I don't know where they're at.
Look, that's a grinding wheel. That's made to be used on the flat side. A cutting wheel is made.
he had one on earlier.
Yes, but the difference is we're using plastic, so no.
I don't
repair.
care. Oh.
Whatever.
Still not right over here.
I get it. Watch out.
It just needs massaged.
Alright guys, that wraps up how to install a Whoosh V1 intercooler on your Ford Fiesta. If you come down here, you literally can't even tell it's there, which is great. That's exactly what I want. Complete stealth mode. Not that it makes me faster, but I don't like it to stick out, unlike Quinn. We were going to do the stenciling, but you wouldn't be able to tell. Anyway, So it's in there. If you like this video, thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. We're gonna have more Fiesta videos coming. There's gonna be a Fiesta playlist soon. And as always, if you got a fast car, better bring it.
Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. I'm going to link a couple more videos that if you like this one and you made it all the way to the end, you're going to definitely like these. So watch them. Also, that middle button right there, I think is probably, you know, somewhere in there. Hit that button to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more action.